So here I'm in this bathroom doing this cut rock for in front of this step here. And it's very laborious, and part of the reason is you have to cut the rock very precisely with right angles. Like here I have a model. Actually, let's look at the stone here. This one right here, you can see this extends. This one right here extends a little bit above this. And so this needs to be ground down a little bit right there. I want that to be exactly flush there. What I found is as you're grinding these stones, sometimes it pays to flip them over. So here, like this guy, is an example here. This guy, if we turn this guy over, I can get him out of there. It should have a pretty good fit. Let's take a look here. Okay. Let's try the other way if that's the other way. Oh. Let's go ahead. Okay, that's the one that doesn't fit. So we turn this guy over. And that is extremely flush. Right there, if you can see that, the difference there. So what this says is this stone, this right here, was not exactly uniformly at right angles on all 9 sides. But sometimes if you flip them over, you can get the result you want, which is what I want this to be exactly flush with this. But and what I do is I use let's pan out a little bit. Here I've got a rock that I've cut, and I've measured this exactly. This is exactly a 1/2 inch, and it is very uniformly at right angles on all 9 sides. I use this as a model when I'm grinding the stones to get this in here. But now I got a good fit in there, so I can keep going there.